How to log in to your existing Wise account. Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'll be showing you how to log in to your existing Wise account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Wise application and then you will get to see this page at very first. Now you'll directly get the option of login into here. Just simply tap into login button, and then if you have logged in the same account that you want to log in into this device before, then your email will be automatically entered into here. But if you haven't done that before, you will have to enter the email at very first. In my case, the email is automatically entered. Now you just simply have to put on your password into this second box. Just simply do that, and after entering the password, tap to login button. Then after doing this very easy steps, Wise will verify if it's really you or not. Now if Wise thinks it's really you, it will automatically log in your account into here. This way you can very easily log in to your existing Wise account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.